Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi friends, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Anil Khanna. I'm from the 1981 IPS batch. I took voluntary retirement after about 2 decades of my service in IPS and started teaching law. Opened my own academy, Anil Khanna's Academy of Law, and I've been instrumental in the success of more than 300 students who have succeeded in judiciary, both higher as well as lower judiciary. My academy, Anil Khanna's Academy of Law, based at Chandigarh, has become fairly popular in this region. I'm now tied up with the Unacademy, and now I shall be delivering all my lectures exclusively on Unacademy. My batch will be starting, the new fresh batch will be starting on 15th June 2021, and there shall be no other offline or online batch conducted by the Anil Khanna Academy of Law. What has been the reason of success? We have had stupendous success in the last 4-5 years. Whenever any list comes, we are taking the lion's share of success. The reason is that firstly, we believe in discipline. Discipline means that we have 5 classes a day, 1 language and 4 of law, 6 days a week, and a complete 1-year course. Classes must be on time to the dot, that is discipline. All my students should be making their notes regularly side by side, because we go into every word of every section. I teach all the major laws. All major laws, CPC, CRPC, IPC, evidence, Hindu law, constitution, Muslim law, limitation, all I am teaching. The other minor acts are being taught by equally good teachers who have become attuned to the level of perfection and excellence which we follow in our academy. There is a way of cracking judiciary. As we all know, judiciary has 3 stages. All judicial examinations have 3 stages: the prelims, the mains, and then the interview. The right way of studying is that you first start preparing for interview, which means you go into every word of every section, you master it, you interpret it. Your basic job tomorrow as a judge is to interpret law. That is why you must have absolute conceptual clarity. Until you have conceptual clarity, how can you face the interview? The most difficult part of this whole examination is the interview, because that is your real test of knowledge and personality. For this purpose, you have a journey with me for 1 year, in which I try to make you think like a judge, believe in yourself, and also to master all your laws. I deliver about 150 lectures on CPC. Every word of every order, every rule is taught to you, along with the latest judgments of Honorable Supreme Court or Honorable High Courts. In addition, we discuss every topic section-wise. We frame the questions which can be framed, and those questions which have already occurred in various judicial examinations. And then we teach you how to answer those questions. What should be the introduction? What should be the conclusion? What should be the body? How long should be the question answers? All these things are painstaking, and these need a constant effort. Whenever you join our academy, you have to join only with one absolute determination, that you are ready to work hard with me for 10 hours a day. You work 10 hours a day. Do whatever we are telling you in the academy. And I can assure you that you will all achieve your dreams. Once you are prepared word by word for interview and your mains, prelims is always a cakewalk. You don't have to prepare for prelims. They automatically get prepared. The hallmark of knowledge is that you start interlinking. You interlink intra and inter. You interlink in the subject and then you start interlinking between different subjects. For example, you are discussing arrest. You can interlink it with the arrest of CRPC with CPC and of course your fundamental rights under the Constitution regarding arrest, Article 22. All these aspects do not come in a day and do not come if you are not 100% with me. All of you can become judges. I can assure you that. I've taught thousands of students till now. All of them are doing so exceptionally well, and I'm so proud of all my students because I've been able to inculcate that feeling of going deep into law. I shall be starting now, since I have joined hands with Unacademy. All my lectures will now be delivered on Unacademy from 15th of June 2021 onwards. As I said, there will be 5 classes a day, 6 days a week. Only one day will be off. I will not call it an off. I will call it a day for revision and to clarify your doubts. The classes shall be live, and also Unacademy provides you the facility of providing you the recorded lectures also of the same lectures. So you have live lectures, you can ask your doubts online at the same time. You have recorded lectures, you can go back and then prepare your notes daily. You have to prepare your notes on daily basis, please, so that you build your bank of notes section wise, topic wise. You are preparing interview and your mains side by side. I told you, prelims is an easy cakewalk after that. We shall be having languages on daily basis. We'll be starting with English, Hindi and Punjabi. We start from the very basics and we have got the best teachers on this also. And they'll be doing the needful. We plan to conduct monthly tests, both prelims as well as mains. Whatever we have taught you, we shall be framing the questions and they shall be posted to you, in which you have to appear in a certain point of time, and then you send across, you upload your mains answers, and we will mark them and send them back to you. It's a very comprehensive training. You know, we are now facing probably the best time for judiciary, in the sense that so many opportunities are coming up. Almost every state is coming up with so many judicial examinations. Though we are starting with the 3 languages, just in case anybody, because now Unacademy is going to be all India, anybody wanting to go for any other language, for example, Marathi, Gujarati, Kannada, Tamil, we have provisions for that too. So please do not rest on your laurels that, okay, sometimes you feel it is outside my capability. I can't become a judge. In my dictionary, I can't does not exist. There is nothing impossible. I'm so very proud of more than 350 or more students who have become judges. And you know, most of them nowadays are coming from rural backgrounds. And they are topping the personality test, the interviews, because they have got such a good knowledge, such a good conceptual clarity, that they sway the entire board. I'm sure all of you will achieve your dreams with us at Unacademy. The icing on the cake is still to come. The pricing of this whole course is phenomenally low. I was quite taken aback when I heard the pricing of Unacademy for this course, because my price or other academies' price for the courses is rather high compared to what they are offering. This is a lifetime golden opportunity. In 1 year, you become masters of law. At least we will strive our best to make you masters of law. We are putting up my demos on YouTube channel. Unacademy is putting up on YouTube channel. Also, there is my own Anil Khanna's Academy of Law YouTube channel. You can always visit and see the demos, how we deliver our lectures. Come and join this bandwagon of success. This is a lifetime opportunity. You are going to get the best of the entire law. Every word of every law is going to be taught to you. Word by word, concept by concept, judgment by judgment. And by the time you end, I'm very sure that you will be so comfortable with law that you will start loving law. And once you start loving law, all the doors open, all the doors of success open. Whether you want to become a judge, or you want to become an advocate, or you want to become an ADA, or a simple law officer. The key to all locks is one: absolute knowledge and total conceptual clarity. We assure you that we'll try to give you the best in the country. You have to work hard with us. We work as a team. As a team means you and we both. We put in about 12 to 14 hours a day of hard work, updating ourselves, trying to give you the best, and expect the same from you. If there is such synergy between us, if there is a unison of thought between us, let me assure you, all of you will be achieving your dreams in the coming exams. Thank you. God bless.